Hello, I'm Robert Lunte from CourseCREEK, and this little tutorial is what would be the difference between live Q&A and live cohorts. One of the ways that folks like myself and you are interested in getting our training across is through live training over Zoom as some sort of conference technology. In our agency, we build two kinds of systems. One is the live open-ended Q&A, the other is the cohort. The live open-ended Q&A is an automated registration system for a regularly scheduled live event with the course creator to its clients that is typically on Zoom, integrated with Calendly and the learning management system, and it's open-ended. It's just Q&A. It's an opportunity to meet with the coach, the creator of the content, the guru, for personal one-on-one time in a class, in a group call, without a curriculum. And its open-ended Q&A vibe is its charm because that keeps it very flexible. You can answer any question that might come your way. There tends to be a little bit more of a personal connection if you're sort of open-ended on a Zoom call with folks on a Saturday morning and just answering their questions for them. The one thing I would recommend if you do this is it should only be provided to folks that have already purchased your course, all right? So that they come to the Q&A with questions relative to your course. So it's a service that's available for folks that have made that commitment. One other thing about it is it's really great for subscriptions. Okay, so oftentimes learners will purchase the course at one time, and then the course creator gets recurring revenue via subscription through a very nice live training program. I happen to do this with my students, and it works great. A cohort has the same tech stack. You would still use a calendar, you'd still use probably Zoom and a registration system, but the difference is it's not open-ended. It's got closed enrollment, meaning people would enroll into the course, and at a certain date, enrollment stops and the cohort training begins. Why? Because you're training a specific curriculum. Okay? They are provided with a list of things that they're going to be doing in each particular session. All right? So simplify. Two ways to do training live, which are great, which we can build for you, is the live open-ended Q&A, which I love that. That's sort of my preference. Or if you need to train curriculum live, you would have a set curriculum, and it would be a closed-ended enrollment process. I hope that's helpful for you. I hope that sort of gets you thinking about how to train live over conference technology. Thank you.